OMEGA Aqua Terra 150mm. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. A pinnacle of horological excellence that pays homage to OMEGA's rich maritime heritage, while embodying the perfect fusion of timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this luxury men's watch stands as a testament to OMEGA's unwavering commitment to precision engineering and unparalleled craftsmanship. From its symmetrical stainless steel case to its distinctive gray dial, every aspect of the Aqua Terra exudes sophistication and refinement, making it a true statement piece for the modern gentleman. The 41mm case of the Aqua Terra is a masterpiece of design, featuring a wave-edged pattern on the back that echoes the ebb and flow of the ocean. This subtle yet distinctive detail not only adds visual interest to the watch but also serves as a nod to its maritime inspiration, evoking a sense of adventure and exploration. The gray dial, adorned with a horizontal teak pattern, draws inspiration from the wooden decks of luxury sailboats, infusing the watch with a sense of nautical charm and sophistication. A closer look at the dial reveals a date window at 6 o'clock, providing both practicality and balance to the overall design. The blued hands and indexes, filled with white Super-LumiNova, ensure optimal readability in any lighting conditions, further enhancing the watch's functionality and versatility. Presented on a sumptuous blue leather strap, the Aqua Terra exudes understated luxury and style, making it the perfect accessory for any occasion, from boardroom meetings to weekend getaways. But beauty is not just skin deep with the Aqua Terra. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of precision and performance. The watch is powered by the OMEGA Master Chronometer Caliber 8900, a self-winding movement equipped with a coaxial escapement. Certified at the industry's highest standard by the Swiss Federal Institute of Metrology, this movement boasts exceptional accuracy and reliability even in the face of magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. With a power reserve of 60 hours, the Aqua Terra ensures uninterrupted performance, allowing you to go about your day with confidence and ease. The domed scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment on both sides offers superior durability and clarity, while the watch's water resistance of 15 bar makes it suitable for all your aquatic adventures. In summary, the OMEGA Seamaster Aqua Terra 150mm is more than just a timepiece. It's a timeless classic that embodies the spirit of adventure, sophistication, and elegance. Whether you're navigating the high seas or conquering the urban jungle, the Aqua Terra is the ultimate companion, offering unparalleled style and performance every step of the way. Elevate your wristwear collection with the Aqua Terra and make a bold statement of refinement and luxury that will stand the test of time. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.